Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we will begin. But first of all, sorry for the inconvenience that happened today. Before we begin this opening ceremony, may I asking you to mute your microphone? All right, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to welcome all of you to our opening ceremony of online foreign language course that conducted by Language Study Center Unpati. I'm Desi Leasa, will be leading this opening ceremony as your MC. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this great occasion, please allow me to greet our distinguished guests. First, the Honorable Vice Rector of Academic from Patimura University, Professor Dr. Freddy Loakabesi, MPD. I also want to greet Dr. Jeffrey Malaiholo as a coordinator of Bahasa Basudara Maluku, the head of Language Study Center Unpati, Ibu Merini Kyulu, SPD MA, the head of Western Language Division, Dr. J. Marantika, MPD, the head of Asian Language and DIPA Division, Dr. Romilda Dacosta, SS, MHUM, the coordinator from Klasis GPM Kota Ambon, the coordinator from Keuskupan Ambon, the coordinator from Remaja Masjid, the coordinator from Walang Belajar, the teachers from Bahasa Basudara Maluku, and the teachers from Language Study Center, also the students who will join the course in this semester. Once again, welcome to this event. First of all, let me inform you about our agenda. First is opening. The second is a report from the head of Language Study Center. The third, introducing teachers. The fourth, speech from the coordinator or representative of Bahasa Basudara Maluku, Walang Belajar Ambon, Klasis GPM Kota Ambon, Keuskupan Ambon, Remaja Masjid, and the student. The fifth is speech and opening the online foreign language course from Vice Rector of Academic Unpati. And the last is closing. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite you to join me to singing our national song, Indonesia Raya. Ladies and gentlemen, we will have the report from the head of Language Study Center, Ibu Mary Nikyulu, SPD MA. To Ibu Mary, room is yours.
Desi, thank you so much. Good afternoon and good morning to everyone in Europe. The tutors from Bahasa Basudara, the coordinator Bahasa Basudara, Bung Jeff, Secretary of Language Center, distinguished representative of Mandarin Language Center of Al-Azhar University, Korean language teacher from Busan University, Mr. Shum, the representative of Remaja Masjid, Orang Muda Katolik, Walang Belajar, distinguished teacher, guests and all participants. Please allow me to deliver my report. Izinkan saya untuk menyampaikan laporan ini. We'll deliver it in bahasa and also English. Sebagai latar belakang, Bapak Ibu semua, wabah COVID-19 yang berdampak global mewajibkan seluruh masyarakat harus melakukan social distancing dan bekerja secara online dari rumah. Nah, sebagai bentuk dukungan untuk keadaan lingkungan, perlu adanya yang bermanfaat serta demi meningkatkan kapasitas sumber daya manusia yang lebih maju dan berkembang. Maka Pusat Studi Bahasa menyelenggarakan kursus bahasa asing di bawah koordinasi Western Language Division untuk bahasa Inggris, Jerman, dan bahasa Belanda, dan divisi Asian Language untuk bahasa Korea, bahasa Jepang, Mandarin, dan juga program BIPA dengan bekerja sama dengan beberapa universitas yaitu Al-Azhar, Ujian Normal University Tiongkok, Busan University di Korea, dan berbagai lembaga keagamaan atau lembaga masyarakat, dan teristimewa juga bahasa Basudara. So due to the pandemic COVID-19, the language course is conducted virtually via Zoom. We should accept that this pandemic situation also give us much benefit. Jadi kondisi ini memberikan kita banyak manfaat. It reach the teacher from different countries, connects all of us virtually, and brings the foreign language knowledge to more people widely. Sebagai tujuan dari program kursus yang dilaksanakan, ada beberapa tujuan. Yang paling utama bahwa Pusat Studi Bahasa ingin membantu untuk mengembangkan kapasitas bahasa asing sumber daya yang ada di Maluku. So one the important point or important goals of the conducted language course, Language Study Center would like to improve the language capacity of the human resources in Maluku for study and working abroad. Untuk waktu, kita akan laksanakan kursus ini per paket 3 bulan yang dilaksanakan 1 kali seminggu dan 2 kali seminggu bagi bahasa Korea untuk persiapan mahasiswa yang akan studi di Korea. So this language course is conducted twice a week for Korean language for preparation of study in Korea, and once a week for the conversation class, also the basic language class or language of English and also another languages. And this course is conducted via Zoom. Jadi semua kursus ini dilaksanakan via Zoom dan per paket. So the period of course started from March until June 2021, 12 week. Jadi ada 12 minggu Bapak Ibu untuk kursus per 1 paket. Persyaratan kursus online, peserta wajib mendaftarkan diri melalui WhatsApp ke staf pelayanan kursus Pusat Bahasa atas nama Odevanti untuk bahasa Inggris, Jerman, dan bahasa Belanda atau Western Language, dan Frankie Tehumuri untuk Asian Language. Peserta wajib mengikuti wawancara untuk mengetahui basic bahasa asing yang akan diikuti Peserta bersedia mengikuti kursus online tanpa keberatan biaya pulsa. Peserta memiliki komitmen untuk mengikuti kursus online sampai dengan selesai sesuai jadwal kursus per paket selama 3 bulan dengan pertemuan seminggu sekali atau seminggu 2 kali bersama para tutor. Dan peserta bersedia untuk hadir 80% baru bisa mendapatkan sertifikat. As requirement, the participants should register via WhatsApp or Google form via staff, Ibu Fanti, and also Frankie Terumuri. And after that, they will have an interview as a replacement test. And they should attend the course 80%. And also they have to have pre and post test for the all the language course. Mekanisme kursus ini diatur dengan melibatkan juga para host. Jadi ada host kursus atau fasilitator kursus. Ada 2 orang yang akan membantu kita di kursus-kursus bahasa Inggris, Jerman, dan Belanda, dan 1 orang akan membantu untuk kursus di Asian language. Jadi all of the courses will be facilitated by 2 hosts for Western Language Division and 1 host for Asian Language Division. Peserta yang mengikuti kursus hingga akhir akan diberikan nilai kemampuan bahasa asing dan sertifikat sebagai tanda menyelesaikan kursus online. At the end, all participants will have certificates so signed by Bahasa Basudara and also Pusat Studi Bahasa or Language Study Center, and also all the teachers, Mandarin teachers, and also Korean language and BIPA, and so on. Okay. Next, we do hope that at the end of the course, kami berharap bahwa di akhir kursus ini, we will have a joint evaluation for all class courses. Di akhir kursus ada evaluasi bersama dengan para teacher atau guru. Yang berikut tentang pengajar Bapak Ibu sekalian, Bahasa Basudara dengan para tutornya akan mengajarkan 9 kelas. Dosen Unpati untuk kelas khusus yaitu TOEFL dan Bahasa Jerman 2 kelas. Dosen dari Pusat Bahasa Mandarin Jakarta akan memberikan 2 kelas, Bahasa Korea 3 kelas, dan BIPA ya ada pengajar yang adalah dosen Unpati dan beberapa profesor akan terlibat sebagai pengajar expert untuk bidang tertentu, yaitu bidang perikanan dan bidang pertanian dan pariwisata. BIPA akan diselenggarakan 2 kelas. Okay. So Bahasa Basudara, all tutors will give or will teach 9 classes. So English 6 classes, German 1 class, and also Dutch 2 classes. So lecturers from Unpati will give TOEFL class and also German class, and 2 classes of Mandarin, 3 classes of Korean language, and BIPA. Plus we have 2 classes of BIPA for the beginner and also for the intermediate class. The participants atau peserta, Bapak Ibu, kita punya peserta untuk kursus ini terdiri dari para dosen Unpati akan mengikuti kursus IELTS dan kursus conversation dari Bahasa Basudara. Ada juga para mahasiswa dari Unpati atau mahasiswa dari universitas lain. Ada alumni Unpati, ada para siswa SD, SMP, SMA, ada masyarakat umum atau publik, dan ada juga peserta yang berasal dari provinsi lainnya, yaitu dari Malang, Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, dan lainnya. Peserta dari luar negeri untuk kelas BIPA berasal dari Inggris, Belanda, dan juga Amerika. So as participants, we have lecturers of Unpati, student of Unpati, alumni of Unpati, and also student of elementary school, middle school, SMA, or senior high school. And we you have participants from other provinces in Indonesia, among others from Malang, Jakarta, Bandung, and Surabaya. And we also have participants from abroad for the class of BIPA, from England, Netherlands, and also America. So all participants consist of 15 classes of Western language, atau ada 183 orang peserta, 183 participants. And Asian language, we have 75 or 8 class. Oke, ada 8 kelas untuk bahasa ASEAN. Terkait dengan pembiayaan, Bapak Ibu, rincian pembiayaan kegiatan khusus ini akan diperuntukkan untuk 2 divisi yang tadi saya sebutkan untuk penyelenggaraan kegiatan selama 1 tahun atau di tahun 2021. Nah, untuk Western Language sendiri, alokasi anggaran ada 66 juta dan bahasa Asia juga ada 66 juta. Nah, biaya-biaya ini diperuntukkan untuk operational cost, ada juga honor untuk pengajar BIPA, dan ada kelas-kelas bahasa Inggris yang pengajarnya diberi honor dan juga bahasa Korea. Dan yang penting juga kita punya supporting activity, ada webinar dan world class, di mana para pengajarnya akan berasal dari beberapa universitas. Okay, as a budget in total for Western language, we have 66 million rupiah, and also for Asian language division, 66 million rupiah, which is allocated for operational costs like credits for internet, Zoom account, teachers' honorarium or fee, and meals for the committee during preparation and also the language course. Also supporting activity like webinar, world class for students of Umpati. The world class session will be conducted in November 2021. Jadi kelas ini akan dikombinasikan, atau kursus-kursus ini akan dikombinasikan dengan kegiatan webinar dan juga kegiatan world class yang dapat menunjang Umpati dalam memberikan kontribusi bagi masyarakat secara umum. So these courses combines with the webinar session and also world class session in November 2021. Nah, kami sangat berterima kasih sekali bahwa Bahasa Basudara dapat berkontribusi bagi kami secara sukarela. So we thank you Bahasa Basudara, Bung Jeb, and also all the tutors for your free contribution to us. So beneficial contribution to teach people in Maluku. Kami sangat berterima kasih Bahasa Basudara memberikan kontribusi untuk mengajarkan sumber daya kita di Maluku. Demikian yang dapat kami laporkan, laporan di awal kursus ini. Pak Prof. Lewat Kabisi, selamat sore Pak.
Sore.
Ya, baik Pak.
Baik. Ya. Semua.
Baik Pak, terima kasih. So, besar harapan kami bahwa para pengajar, peserta, dan kerjasama kita ini untuk program ini akan lebih baik untuk mensupport SDM di Maluku. So we have to thank you all teachers, all representative of organizations, and participants who have given your contribution. Last but not least, we thank you staffs of Language Study Center and host facilitator of Language Study Center for your contribution. And also especially Pak Wiarsatu, Vice Rector for Academic Affairs, Professor Dr. Freddy Lewakabesi, and all the supporting budget and other staff, and also Director for supporting us to conduct this language course. Once again, thank you all, Pak Jeff dari saudara dan semua tutor, Mr. Shu, Pak Shu, Pak Choi, Ibu Mona Lisa dari Jakarta, para pengajar, Unpati, Kepala Divisi, Sekretaris, dan semua staf, dan Pak Wersatu. Demikian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Make us surround yourself with happiness you deserve, and thank you for making this program successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ibu Mary, for that report. Now, ladies and gentlemen, such an honor for us to know the teachers from Bahasa Basudara Maluku and the teachers from Language Study Center. So I will give this opportunity to the Secretary of Language Study Center to introducing them. To Ibu Monique SSM Hum, room is yours.
Thank you very much, Ibu Desi, Ibu Mary, for allowing me to have this incredible opportunity to introduce to our distinguished teachers as actually the stars of this program. Of course, the participants also, who the teachers are really have, great dedication, who dedicate their time and their knowledge to enhance our students or participants' proficiency in foreign language. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and all the distinguished guests, before I like to invite the teachers to introduce themselves, I like to then introduce, as Ibu Maria mentioned before, that to support this program. Actually, this program is coordinated by two divisions in Language Study Center. Division of Western Language led by Dr. Julian Smarantika. By Julian, could you then wave your hands or hand? Then other participants and guests will see you. And I do believe that some of the participants already met Dr. Julian as the interviewer in German, probably Dutch and English class.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Pablo.
Well, good afternoon for Julian, and I almost forgot. Good morning and good afternoon to all of us from different parts of this awesome world. Hopefully, then you are safe in this pandemic, COVID-19 situation. Well,
thank you.
The second one is from the Asian Language Division, led by Ibu Dr. Romaida Da Costa. Probably she's here in this room. Could you then wave your hands so the participants can see you? Okay, thank you very much. We are supported by two staffs who administer and organize, set the schedule of this program. They are Frankie Tuhumuri and Ibu Fanti Ode. Good afternoon. Wave your hands, please. Fanti and Bu Angki, where are you? May I see you here? Bu Angki.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Good morning for all. Okay, well, and the last but not the least, assisting the class, we also helped by three hosts to be a facilitator for teacher and participants every foreign language class. They are Pak Parjolo Aritonang. Could you then wave your hands? Pak Parjolo, Bujo, where are you? Thank you, Bujo. Ibu Heni Nikulu, see me? Wave your hands. And the last, Pak Elion. Pak Elion, Bu Elion. Yes. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, and all the guests and participants, the teachers of this foreign language course, online foreign language course, taught by not only Patimura University teachers, but also from native teachers of Mandarin, German, Dutch, Korean, and English language. I'd like to then invite for our distinguished teachers from Patimura University, Ibu Jenny Lekatombesi. Hopefully she's here with us right now. Ibu Jenny, would you then wave your hand, please? Okay, probably on duty right now. Ibu Lilian Siloy. Ibu Lilian Siloy, would you please wave your hand? Next, Ibu Renata Nikiulu. Ibu Renata Nikiulu, would you wave your hands, please? And Pak Dr. Karuna. Akif, are you there? May we see you? Could you wave your hand, please? Okay, thank you very much. For all the native teachers from Mandarin and German, Dutch, and English language, I would like to then invite first, give the opportunity for Ibu Mona Lisa as the coordinator of Mandarin Language Center or the representative of Mandarin Language Center of Al-Azhar University to introduce the teacher, Mr. Zhang Sui. Mr. Zhang Sui. Well, Ibu Mona Lisa, the room is yours, Ibu. Ibu Mona Lisa here. Is she here?
No, I think.
Oh, okay. Well, Mr. Zhuang Zui, we give the opportunity for you to introduce yourself to us today. Room is yours, Mr.
Okay, it's me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zhang Ziwei. Okay, I'm a Mandarin Chinese teacher, so it's glad to see you here. I want to make better in the future, and I can do better. Maybe I can make progress in the next days. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Pak Zhang Zui. Thank you very much. And I'd like to invite for our next native teachers from Korean language. Please welcome Mr. Choi Man-gong. The floor is yours from Busan University.
He is on mute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Mangong.
Okay. It's time for me to introduce myself, all of you. Nice to meet you. My name is Choi Man-gong. Nama saya Choi Man-gong. Nama panggil saya Jonathan. Saya tinggal di Busan. Saya orang Korea. I would like to thank you, your university staffs, for preparing such a wonderful ceremony, opening ceremony. Thank you so much. I will do my best to teaching all of your students, Pattimura students, all of you. I will do my best. Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you so much for being here. What awesome. I'd like to invite them for the next, our native teachers from Korean language. Please welcome Mr. Jae Hyun Shu. Floor is yours.
안녕하세요. Bahasa Korea 안녕하세요. Selamat sore, selamat siang, Bapak dan Ibu.
Selamat siang, Bapak.
Selamat sore.
Nama saya Song Jae-kyung. Saya banggakan mengajar bahasa Korea bagi mahasiswa-mahasiswi Maluku. Saya tinggal di Ambon. selama 4 tahun tinggal di Ambon. Nanti waktu mengajar bagi mahasiswa-mahasiswi, rajin mengajar sampai menjadi lancar bahasa Korea seperti orang Korea. Saya senang sekali ketemu dosen dan guru dan teachers. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sung. Your bahasa is very good.
Terima kasih.
Well, I'd like to then invite for our native teachers to teach English language. So I will give the opportunity for the coordinator Bahasa Basudara, Mr. Dr. Jeffrey Malaiholo. Floor is yours to introduce the tutors, the beloved tutors that always support for our students in English language. Room is yours, Pak.
Thank you. We've got quite a few tutors here. Maybe I'll start with Susan Muskita in Yorkshire, who's going to teach English and German. Susan, can you wave? Or do you want to say something quickly, Susan?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning. Thank you very much, Jeff. I'm very pleased to be teaching the IELTS class and German again, and I see some of my students here already. So I'll see you on Wednesday and Friday. So thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
And we've got a few people. There's David also, who's here. He's teaching. I think this is his third class. David, you want to say something quickly?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. Hello. Nama saya David. Saya mengajar bahasa Inggris. Ini kelas keempat saya. Saya selalu senang berbicara dan mengajar para peserta, dan saya harap bantuan saya bisa bermanfaat untuk mereka. Ya, terima kasih semua.
Thank you.
Thank you, David. There's also, I think I see Elfina Kaiser. Do you want to say something quickly, Elfina?
Good morning, good afternoon. Yes, this will be my first time teaching English, and I'm really looking forward to it. So, yeah, thank you for the opportunity.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I see Rizky Kalebos, I think it's also here. Rizky, you there?
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, it's also first time for me, so yeah, well, I will see what will happen.
Thank you. And there's, I think I see Cicera Watimena also here from Holland.
Yes, I'm here. I'm Cicera Watimena from the Netherlands. This is the first time for me, and I hope I have good conversations with the students.
Thank you. And I think there's Bong Evert Solisa, who's going to teach Dutch.
Yeah, I'm teaching Dutch language continuum, and I try to upgrade the students in level 2. Yeah, my lessons are divided in 3 levels. Yeah, and we start in level 2, and at last level 3 it will be conversation. Yeah, that is my attention. Thank you.
Thank you. And I think I see Bung Arthur Diaz as well is here.
Good morning, everyone. For me, it's this first time, so I'm very interesting to learn from the students also, and I hope I can give my help for them. Thank you.
I also like to mention there are a few other people I noticed here who are also tutors, like Richard Lalihatu, Natalie Halatu, Amanda is also here, Boya Latumahina, Wilna Noya, Ibu Eti, Leonor Nahumuri is also here. They're all tutors, but I think most of them are now actually taking Indonesian classes. So they're here not as a tutor, but as a student. So if you want to just wave, I think, because I'm not sure how much time we have. Okay, thank you, Ibu. Back to you.
Bye. Okay, well, thank you very much, Jeff and Jeff. Thank you so much for supporting us. Because of this support, we do believe that our participants, our students really, already improved in their English and their German language. Thank you so much for the support. And I'd like to then introduce, there are 4 teachers of Indonesian language teachers from Patimura University to teach foreign language speakers. They are Professor Mose, he's on duty right now, Professor Patinama, Ibu Dr. Pikal, and Bapak Niko Tulalesi. They are the teachers of Indonesian language for foreign language speakers. Well, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and all our beloved teachers, we do really appreciate for joining this opening ceremony today. And we do realize that because of your support, because of your dedication, so this program is still running well so far. And I would like then to thank for all of your support. Thank you so much. And I hope that by joining this English, not only English class, but Mandarin, German, and Dutch class, our students, all the participants, then being improved their proficiency in foreign language. Thank you very much. So I back to Desi, Ibu Desi, MC.
Thank you, Ibu Monique. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving to our next agenda. I would like to invite the coordinator of Bahasa Basudara Maluku to deliver the speech to Dr. Jeffrey Malaiholo. Floor is yours.
Thank you, Ibu Desi. Firstly, thank you, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Vice Rector, Professor Fedi Lewakabesi. Thank you, Ibu Mary Nukulu, Head of Study Center. And thank you, everybody, all the participants and all the tutors for all this opportunity. The cooperation between Bahasa Basudara and Unpati started in May last year. And these classes now are the 3rd wave of classes. Prior to this, I think we have 39 classes. And as Ibu Mary mentioned before, this time we've got 9 classes. So altogether we've done 48 classes. We're very, very happy with this cooperation with this program. Because for us, this is two-way relationship, not only one way. So for the students, of course, the students learn foreign languages, particularly English, Dutch, and German from us. And I think Ibu Mary also mentioned we teach students from elementary kids all the way to TOEFL and IELTS preparation. And what we can see is there's increased skills in their language, but more importantly, perhaps increased confidence and motivation of the students in learning foreign languages. But apart from that, for the tutors itself, who are mainly Moluccans living in Europe, in Australia, US, we learn a lot. We learn a lot from people in Maluku, but life in Maluku. And I just mentioned there's a lot of us now are actually learning Indonesian language. So it is definitely a two-way communication, two-way learning. For your information, we now have 139 tutors available. And the location is roughly 60% in Europe, 20% in Australia and USA, and roughly 20% in Indonesia. So we can offer a lot of classes. So I want to encourage people from Unpati, Walang Belajar, GPM, Remaja Masjid, Pemuda Katolik, etc. to cooperate with us. This is something that we love to do, to support each other in the students in Maluku, and we learn as well, like I said. So we just hope that this cooperation can continue and getting stronger every time. So again, thank you for everyone involved. I'll give the floor back to you, Ibu Desi.
Thank you, Mr. Jeffrey. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the second speaker who will deliver the speech, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the coordinator or the representative of Walang Belajar Ambon.
Probably he cannot join with this Zoom.
Okay. Next, we will have the speech. I'm pleased to invite the coordinator or the representative of Klasis GPM Kota Ambon. The representative or the coordinator from Klasis GPM Kota Ambon. The next speaker who will deliver the speech, I would like to invite the coordinator or the representative of Keuskupan Ambon.
Ya, hadir. Oke, terima kasih MC. Bahwa kami dari Keuskupan, saya mewakili Komisi Kepemudaan Keuskupan Amboina, orang muda Katolik Keuskupan Amboina, mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada Universitas Patimura Ambon, lebih khusus pada Pusat Bahasa yang telah menyelenggarakan kerjasama dengan kami untuk lebih mengembangkan orang muda Katolik di Keuskupan Amboina, lebih khusus mahir dalam berbahasa asing. Oleh karena itu, saya mengatasnamakan Komisi Kepemudaan Keuskupan Amboina, Uskup Keuskupan Amboina mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kiranya ilmu yang diberikan bisa mengembangkan anak-anak Maluku untuk lebih berkembang dalam berbahasa yang baik. Terima kasih. Demikian, kembali ke MC.
Thank you, sir, for that speech. Well, we have the speech from the representative of Remaja Masjid, the representative of Remaja Masjid. No. So we're moving to the representative of student to deliver the speech. I would like to invite Dr. Eti Hussein, MLS. Floor is yours.
Okay, thank you very much. Vice Rector of Patimura University Academic Affairs, Dr. Jeff Maleholo, from Bahasa Coordinator of Bahasa Basudara, Ibu Mary Nikiulu, from Pusat Studi Bahasa Patimura University. This is a great pleasure for me to be here with you as a tutor
I would
of
like to invite Dr. Eki Hussein.
yes, I'm here.
Oh,
Can you hear me? Hello, it's a great pleasure for me to be here with you as a tutor at this program. I'm very proud to say that this is a very, very great program, because in this kind of situation where everybody should stay at home because of the pandemic, we had a great opportunity to share our knowledge with all elites. As a student who is taking a course in this program, I will also feel very, very grateful, because in this opportunity, I can learn from home from a very, very great tutor coming from the Netherlands. At that time, I learned Dutch from Pak Evert Sowisa, Mayor Evert Sowisa, who is very, very professional tutor, who is very patient in teaching us, especially in pronunciation, which is very difficult for us. And then we start from zero, very low level, until at the end of level 1, we were able to tell short story when we went to the market, and then what we do, etc., etc. And that is a great, great opportunity for us. And therefore, I said that I encourage you, everybody, to take the opportunity to learn with this program and study hard and study seriously. In addition to a very, very well-known teacher and tutors, they also have a very, very great program, and it is for you, from you, the learners who wants to improve yourself or not. So this is free, and this is the great opportunity to take the most of it, because in this opportunity we could improve our language, all languages that over in this course. Again, thank you very much, Pattimura University, Bahasa Basudara, all the tutors and all the participants. Please study hard, do your best, practice and practice and practice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Memeti, for that speech. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to invite the Vice Rector of Academic from Pattimura University, Professor Dr. Freddy Lewakabesi, MPD, to give the speech before officially opening the ceremony. To Professor Dr. Freddy Lewakabesi, MPD, floor is yours. Thank you,
Terima kasih, Desi. Selamat siang, selamat sore semua para tamu undangan, para hadirin, peserta.
Sore, Pak.
Sore, Bapak.
Selamat sore, Pak.
Unmute dulu.
Sorry. Ya, thank you Desi dan semua partisipan, para pengajar, baik Western language, Asian language maupun
English.
Dr. Jeffrey Maliholo dan rekan-rekan, para staf di Pusat Studi Bahasa Unpati, dan semua partisipan yang ada saat ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, shalom untuk kita semua. Mohon maaf Pak Rektor tidak bisa bersama-sama karena kesibukan lain, dan beliau menunjuk kami untuk bisa memberi sambutan sekaligus membuka acara yang sangat baik ini. Pertama-tama saya merasa dari awal tadi kita seperti satu keluarga besar yang berasal dari seluruh penjuru dari berbagai tempat di dunia ini, baik dari Eropa, dari Asia maupun dari Indonesia sendiri. Dan kami merasa bahwa apa yang digagas oleh Pusat Bahasa sudah cukup banyak. Ini kali yang kedua, dan kami percaya apa yang digagas ini memberi bagi kita manfaat yang luar biasa. Karena dengan bahasa kita sebenarnya mengenal identitas daerah kita, negara kita, maupun kita bisa bergaul secara internasional. Dan dengan animo yang cukup besar dari para peserta, baik Walang Belajar, Keuskupan Amboina, Klasis GPM Pulau Ambon, Remaja Masjid, ini memberikan gambaran bahwa semua ingin belajar bahasa dengan baik dan benar, sehingga pergaulan yang tidak bisa kita hambat lagi secara internasional dengan pandemi COVID-19, kita merasa begitu banyak masalah, tetapi dengan bantuan Pusat Bahasa kita bisa merasakan bahwa komunikasi dengan menggunakan bahasa, dengan belajar bahasa, kita bisa saling berhubungan satu dengan yang lain di berbagai tempat dalam ruang monitor HP maupun laptop dan di berbagai tempat kita masing-masing. Kami berharap proses ini bisa berjalan dengan baik, mendapatkan hasil yang baik, sehingga tujuan dari kegiatan ini bisa diperoleh manfaatnya, terutama bagi para peserta bisa menguasai berbagai bahasa yang diinginkan. Demikian juga kami mengucap terima kasih kepada para dosen, para pengajar dari Bahasa Basudara, Bung Jeff dan teman-teman. Luar biasa ini, saudara-saudara kami bisa membantu orang Maluku untuk bisa menguasai berbagai bahasa, baik Western language maupun Asian language. Terima kasih untuk kesempatannya, dan kami berharap semua bisa berjalan dengan baik. Para pengajar, kami mengucap banyak terima kasih sekali untuk para pengajar yang bersedia. Hormat dari Pak Rektor untuk semua, dan semoga kegiatan ini berjalan dari awal hingga akhir dengan baik. Demikian atas nama Pak Rektor dan pimpinan Universitas Patimura, kami membuka kegiatan ini secara resmi. Saya Ibu Mary dan staf, Tuhan memberkati kita semua dan semua bisa berjalan dengan baik. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Thank you very much.
Thank you for Professor Dr. Fredel KBC MPD for that speech. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our agenda. I would like to thanking all of participants who have joined this opening ceremony. Have a good day and thank you very much.
Thank you, Ibu Desi.
Sama-sama, Pak Semi. Bapak Ibu, untuk peserta kursus bahasa Korea.
Oke.
Untuk peserta kursus bahasa Korea, ada pemberitahuan bahwa setelah ini jangan tinggalkan ruangan Zoom. Bapak Ibu yang merupakan peserta kursus bahasa Korea, setelah ini jangan tinggalkan ruangan Zoom karena ada pertemuan dengan pengajar. Terima kasih.
Ya, Nando.
Yang lainnya boleh pergi ya.
Ya, disilahkan Pak. Terima kasih banyak
Oke.
semua.
Terima kasih Pak.
Thank you everyone.
Terima kasih banyak.
semua.
Pak Jeff.
On the bus.
Terima kasih pagi.
Bye everyone.
Thank you Pak Jeff.
Terima kasih.
Yes, terima kasih Pak Ibu.